Hi friends, this is Gani. In this video, I am going to explain you how to create splice connection between the two different members of the column, just like this. Here you can see this is the one member of the column and this is the second member of the column. These two members are connecting with this plate with a bolted just like this. These are the two different members. Before going to create this type of connection, for more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Here under the videos you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos just like this. I hope these videos might be helpful to you, and for more Tekla structure related videos, at the top right corner please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, let's start. Before going to create this type of connection, I am going to take a new project. Go to the menu, select new and click on create. Yes, yeah, click on here and close it. Drag it and maximize this window. Go to the steel and click on steel and select the column and place it anywhere. Place it here and double click on it. We are going to change the elevations of the column. Here under the position at the bottom, make it 0. Click on modify, and total height of the top side elevation is the 20 feet and close it. This is the single member of the column. We are going to divide this column into two parts. So go to the edit and select this split and select the column, and I'm going to split into the two parts at exactly middle of this column. Here you can see this triangle symbol indicates the middle of the column, and click on here. Right click on mouse, interact. Here you can see now these are the two different members of the column. We are going to connect these two members with the splice connection. So go to the application and components by using the shortcut Ctrl F on your keyboard. At the first time you will see just like this. In the search box, enter splice, S-P-L-I-C-E, splice. When you enter the splice, here you can see you will get the options here. In this option, select this option, column splice 42 number. Click on here and close it, and select the bottom column member first and then select the second member. By default it will be generated just like this. Now we are going to see the options of it. Double click on this connection and drag it one side. Go to the web bolt option. Here bolt size we are going to take for example ½ inch. Click on modify. When I click on modify, here you can see this bolt size will be changed. Here you can see now this bolt size should be ½ inch. After that come here enter 2 and here 3 and here enter 1.5 and here also 1.5. Click on modify. Here you can see now these two indicates the number of columns in the web bolts. Here you can see this is the one column and this is the second column. This 3 indicates the distance between the two columns of the bolt. Here you can see the distance between this column to this column distance should be 3 inches, and this 1.5 inch indicates the edge distance bolt to edge of this plate, and this 1.5 inch also indicates here from this bolt to edge of this plate should be 1.5 inch. Like that in the lengthwise also we are going to see now. Here enter, let's take 2 inch and here number of bolts 3 and distance between the bolts are 3, and here enter, let's take here 4 and edge distance 2. Click on modify. Here you can see Now this 2" indicates here the edge distance in the lengthwise from bolt to edge of this plate should be 2 inches, and this 3 indicates the number of columns, number of rows in the bolts. Here you can see this is one row and second row, this is the third row. This above portion, these 3 options indicates the above splice connection bolts, and this below also indicates the bottom of this splice connection options. Here you can see these 3 indicates the number of rows, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this 4 indicates the distance between the 2 bolts in the row wise, in the lengthwise. Here you can see first row and second row distance should be 4 inches, and we are going to see the bottom of the splice here also. Enter here 2, number of bolts 3, and distance between the 2 bolts are 4, and enter here the 2. Click on modify. Here you can see this bottom splice connection bolts also changed in the web. Okay, after that, up to now we have seen bolt size and number of bolts and distance between the bolts, and width of the plate. We have also controlled width of the plate and length of the plate also. But what about thickness of this plate? For thickness of this plate, go to the parts tab. In the parts tab, in the web plate, in the thickness under the T, enter here ½ inch. Click on modify. Select it, click on modify. For example, I am going to change, by default it is a ½ inch, so I am going to change to 1/4. Click on modify. Here you can see now this thickness should be 1/4. Just like that, you can control the thickness of the plate here with this option. After that, coming to this plate, flange plate connection, go to the flange tab. Here also enter, select the ½ inch bolt, click on modify. Here you can see now this bolt size should be ½ inch. Then come here, these options also similar to the previous web bolt options. Enter here 2 columns, distance between the 2 bolts should be 3, and enter here edge distance 1.5, and here also 1.5. Click on modify. Here you can see now this 2 indicates the number of columns here, 1 column and second column, and this 3 indicates the distance between the 2 columns, 3, and 1.5 inch and 1.5 inches indicates the edge distance from bolt to edge of this plate here and here in the width wise. For the length wise, come here, enter here, for example take 2 inch, and number of bolts 3, and distance between the bolts 4, and edge distance 2. Click on modify. Here you can see now this 2 indicates here the edge distance in the lengthwise from the bolt to edge of this plate. It should be 2 inches, and here 3 indicates the number of rows above the splice as well below this splice also. Here there is no separate option for the below splice. When you enter the values here, this will be applicable for above splice connection bolts and below splice connection bolts for the flange plate. Enter here and click on modify. Yeah, that's it. What about the thickness of this plate? We have control here the widthwise and lengthwise of the plate and bolts, number of bolts and distance between the bolts. But what about the thickness of the plate? This is also same method. Go to the parts, and at this time we are going to enter here the thickness of the plate, flange plate here 1/4. Click on modify. Here you can see now the plate thickness should be 1/4. Just like that, you can control this connection as you require. That's it. Click on modify, apply, OK. This is a splice connection between the 2 columns of the 2 members. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. And for more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel. youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under the videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And for more Tekla structure related videos, please click on subscribe button. At the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Thank you.